in this class, we are going to learn how to save and export our document from the spreadsheet in different formats. To export, assuming we like what we see here, we like this document and we can just go ahead and export it. You can come to File over here and we can say Save As. This is the first option to do Save As, and you can define the location where you want to save it. For example, I can say in this LibreOffice tutorial, and I can define the file name. Let's keep it at Spreadsheet sample 1 that we have given at the beginning. And then you can come down here. This is where you specify the file type. So you can click, you have the ODF, you can have Excel 2007 to 365 template. You can have XLSX, okay, 2007 to 365. This is the latest, from 2007 to the latest. You can go 97 to 2003, or you can do XLS, which is 97 to 2003 in the Excel format. So you can just go ahead and click whichever one you want, and it will save it like that. Usually if you want CSV also, you can save in CSV, so you can open also anywhere. So let's go ahead and save with .xls, okay, and then we can specify and say save. Okay, use this. So if we can go back to the same file where we have it saved, we can try to open it with Microsoft Excel, and you can see it is going to open perfectly. You can see it over here, Spreadsheet sample 1. So you can click open with. Let's try to open with Microsoft Excel, and you can see right now it has opened with Microsoft Excel. So this is a document that we've just saved in, open in Excel. So let's go back and try to save, probably maybe in PDF. But in PDF, the method is not the same. You have to come to File and then go to Export. Either export or export as PDF directly. It's going to export for you as PDF, but you can go to Export where you have other multiple formats as well. So you can have other formats like the XLS, you can have PDF directly, HTML, or you can export as JPEG or PNG, or as a web image also. Web page image. Okay, so depending on your choice, but for this, let's go with PDF, and then we can just go ahead and say specify location, specify name, and just go ahead and say save. So we keep everything here at default and say export, and it has exported this in PDF. So you can go back to the same folder and be able to see it now in PDF. Yeah, this is it, this one. You can double click and your file is now opened in PDF. All right, so this is another way. Alternatively, also you can still come back to, from the same spreadsheet, you can come up here and you can see this export directly as PDF. Once you click on export directly as PDF, it is going to give you this. So let's say we'll call it 2 this time around, and let's go ahead and say save. And this is now exported directly as PDF. So when you go back to the same file, you can see it here too. Double click and it is going to open as a PDF document. So this is basically how to export our document in different formats within LibreOffice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. So this concludes this section about how to use the basics of how to use Spreadsheet within LibreOffice. In the next section, we are going to look at drawings, how we can use the draw feature within the LibreOffice to draw different things, including even a flowchart of a simple system. So until next time, thanks for watching and see you in the next section. Bye.